Good morning and welcome to Financial Booklet. I'm your host, bringing you the latest market updates and financial headlines for Sunday, January 25th, 2026. Today, we are tracking significant moves in the banking sector following a major acquisition announcement, updates on the regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies, and the latest developments in global trade and technology. Let's dive straight into the numbers. Starting with the broader markets, stocks finished mostly higher in the last session, though the technology sector faced headwinds following a sharp plunge in Intel shares. While equities held their ground, we saw a shift in currency and commodities markets. The US dollar has retreated while precious metals have surged to new record highs, indicating a shift in asset flows. On the policy front, attention is turning to the banking sector after former President Trump proposed a 10% interest rate cap. Analysts are currently assessing the potential impact of such a policy on credit card issuers, specifically Capital One. In related government news, the World Health Organization has publicly disputed the Trump administration's stated reasons for U.S. withdrawal from the organization. Moving to corporate deal-making, we have a major consolidation in the fintech space. Capital One has announced an agreement to acquire the fintech company Brex in a deal valued at $515 billion. In other banking news, Donald Trump has filed a lawsuit against JPMorgan Chase, seeking $5 billion in damages over allegations of debanking. Meanwhile, global fintech giant Revolut is reportedly shifting its strategy, seeking a U.S. banking license as part of its expansion efforts. For travelers, with severe winter weather affecting flights, new reports detail exactly what airlines are obligated to provide passengers stranded by the storms. Turning to the technology sector, the focus remains heavily on artificial intelligence. Discussions are heating up regarding potential initial public offerings for 2026, with market watchers comparing NVIDIA-backed startups OpenAI and Anthropic as leading candidates. In the industry landscape, Elon Musk has made a new statement predicting that artificial intelligence will outpace human intelligence as early as this year. Additionally, Coinbase has announced the formation of a quantum computing advisory board to address growing security concerns in the digital age. In the world of digital assets, the market is seeing mixed signals. Spot Bitcoin ETFs have recorded a 4-day negative streak, shedding approximately $1.62 billion in outflows. However, there was a significant legal development as the SEC dismissed its lawsuit against the Gemini exchange regarding its Earn product. Conversely, the NFT market continues to face consolidation, with Nifty Gateway announcing it will shut down operations in February 2026. In corporate crypto news, Michael Saylor's MicroStrategy is facing challenges with its European expansion, as reports indicate his new dividend offering is failing to gain traction with investors. Finally, looking at global trade and commodities, corn prices are rallying as export business hits a multi-year high. Geopolitically, tensions remain regarding Greenland. While reports suggest a retreat on NATO tariffs, there are indications of potential friction regarding U.S. military bases in the region. And here in the U.S., meteorologists are finalizing models for what is being termed a snowpocalypse, likely to impact infrastructure and logistics in the coming days. Now that wraps up your financial market update for Sunday, January 25th, 2026. Thank you for tuning in to Financial Booklet for your factual market news. Be sure to check back tomorrow for the market open. Have a great day.